La Quinta was given to me from a broker that was explaining to me that one of the benefits of staying in the La Quinta area was their customer service. Literally one phone call away and you would have your problem solved. Rental, cleaning, fixing things if something got broke. And that was one of the key reasons why I was particularly interested in La Quinta. And we started rent out summer of 2015. And we only rent out during the months of June, July and August because of the fact that we want to spend time in Sweden during those months where it's beautiful, at least these 3 months. So that's what we've done. We've now been renting out for 8 years. We use the property for the rest of the year. We spend about 7 to 8 times a year, particularly during the autumn and the spring. And we also spend time here during the winter season because of the fact that I like skiing and we have the opportunity to go up to the mountains of Sierra Nevada, which I would say is as good as any Alp location you can give me. So these are the time when we come to La Quinta. Key holding, assistance on rental, laundry, cleaning. If anything goes wrong, we call customer service, talking to Natalia or to Roser. So every problem is just one phone call away. And we are extremely happy about the customer service that we've obtained over these 8 years. Another thing is that the rental, we don't even see that the place has been rented out for 3 months, which to us is very important. And I gotta say, as a testimonial, that I have a lot of friends living in other different parts of Marbella and the Puerto Banús area, and they literally don't think it's possible to get the service that I have attained over now 8 years. With La Quinta, the commission is very, very reasonable, and the fact that the apartment is always spick and span when we come back after rentals. It's very interesting. When we arrived here and we were planning of renting out our property, hoping to get about 8 to 9 weeks rental during the summertime. It has turned out that we have not reached that target 100%, but we are perhaps in an average over 8 years, about 7 to 8 rentals a year. That rental means that I don't have any cost for my property because everything is paid. So I've literally been living here for 8 years, cost-free.